Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to redeem gift card on Binance. So let's get started. So if you want to redeem your gift card on Binance, then what you can do is just follow some easy steps. First, open up your Binance application. After opening up your Binance application, you will find the Binance icon or your profile icon, which is on the top left corner of your screen. Just tap on it and that will take you to your profile. So from here, what you have to do is just tap on Rewards Hub. So after tapping on Rewards Hub, now you can redeem your gift card. So now in order to redeem your gift card, what you can do is just tap on My Voucher, which is on the top, and now you have to tap on Voucher Code, which is on the top right. After tapping on Voucher Code, now what you can do is just simply enter the voucher code that you have. So here you can see guys, in this blank you have to enter the voucher code. After entering the voucher code, you just have to tap on Claim Voucher, and after tapping on Claim Voucher, now you can easily claim your voucher, and the claimed amount will be added over here in your total balance. So that's it guys, this is how to redeem gift card on Binance. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.